and on behalf of the Sheep Hill Astronomical Association, I'd like to welcome you to another edition of What's in the Sky. So it's been a while since I've done one of these, and I thought there would be no better time to get back into it than with the upcoming conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn that will take place on December 21st, 2020. This will be the first time since July 16th, 1623 this conjunction has happened with the planets so close together. Why are Jupiter-Saturn conjunctions so rare? Well, it takes the Earth 1 year for an orbit of the Sun, while it takes Jupiter about 12 years and Saturn about 30 years to make their orbits. So it takes some time before all three planets are correctly aligned in their orbits. Now, I've been getting some questions about it and have been reading some stories on the internet that are kind of playing fast and loose with the facts. First, let's clarify what a conjunction actually is. In astronomical terms, a conjunction is when two astronomical objects have either the same right ascension or the same ecliptic longitude, usually observed from Earth. Conjunctions involve either two objects in the solar system or one object in the solar system and one more distant object, such as a star. The actual conjunction is caused by the observer's perspective. The two objects are not actually close to one another in space. Now, for the particular conjunction that will happen on December 21st, 2020. I've read a number of stories that incorrectly state the two planets involved are two of the brightest planets in the night sky. That statement is totally incorrect. Venus and Mars are both far brighter. Now, don't get me wrong. Jupiter is bright and very easy to see in the night sky, but it's not the brightest object up there. Saturn is far less bright and far smaller. Right now, the distance from Earth to Jupiter is about 538 million miles, and that's really not going to change much by December 21st. And the distance from Jupiter to Saturn is about 403 million miles, and that won't change much either. Thankfully, I haven't seen any stories that say this conjunction will be bigger or brighter than the full moon as the closest Mars approach event generated. But it's still being made out to be a show-stopping event. Now, I really hate to burst your bubble, but the event will just look like a normal view of Jupiter. Saturn really won't add any luminosity to the event. The real fun thing to watch is on the nights leading up to the 21st, as you will see the planets getting increasingly close together in the night sky. For those of us here in the Northeast, we will only have a few short hours to view the conjunction before both planets set in the west. From dusk until about 6:55 p.m. is our time frame. So there you have it, the cold, hard truth. Thank you for joining me, and as always, we at the Sheep Hill Astronomical Association could use your donations for our dome restoration project. And yes, Virginia, there really is a Santa Claus.